When positioning items in a scene, it's important to align them with each other. For example, placing work surfaces in a bench layout or a chair for a desk. Kits includes 2 features to make aligning items easier. The first is Snap To. Go to the project settings screen by tapping on the gear icon. By default, Snap To is selected on, however, can be selected off by tapping the control slider. Now when you move items around in the scene, you'll notice that they'll automatically snap to position against another item. You'll also notice that even with the Snap To enabled, I can still push the items beyond the snap point so items can overlap. Another feature called Collision Prevention helps avoid this. To turn on Collision Prevention, tap the gear icon in the corner. Tap the Collision Prevention control slider, then return to your project. Now, when I move the chair, Collision Prevention prevents me from overlapping it with the desk. There are some situations where Collision Prevention and Snap To can get in the way. Since Collision Prevention and Snap To work on bounding boxes of each item, sometimes it can prevent you from aligning items the way you want to. An item's highlighted color determines its status in the scene. Blue for individually placed items, and red or green for items in the scene that have been grouped together. With Snap To and Collision Prevention on, as I move the chair closer to the desk, it will detect and snap to position according to the desk's bounding box, which appears after connection. However, because the bounding boxes of the 2 items collide, I cannot push the chair and have it overlap the desk. Go back to the project settings and turn off Collision Prevention as well as Snap To. Now when I move the chair, I can position it freely under the desk. And that's how Snap To and Collision Prevention can help you align items in a project.